11 perfect colors that pair with lemon green for stunning home decor. Lemon green is a fresh, vibrant color and so versatile. It is a color that instantly brings life and energy to any space. Today, I will share 11 stunning colors that pair perfectly with lemon green to create the ultimate home decor vibe. Whether you want bold construct or stable harmony, I've got ideals for every style. Hi everyone, welcome to vlogmas day 16. Lemon green is a color that never goes out of style. It is refreshing, energizing, and oh so inviting. In today's video, we are diving into the top 11 colors that work beautifully with lemon green and how to use them in your home decor. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and also watch it to the very end so you can get the complete details on how to transform your decor style. So our first color on the list is blue. Blue and lemon green are cool colors that create a calming, refreshing atmosphere. Now, how to make use of these two colors when combining? 1. Paint lemon green walls with blue, refreshing and blue accessory goes very well. Or you can use blue tiles with lemon green growth for a modern twist. Add a throw pillows or vase in complementary shades to the tie to look good together. Now, our next color is yellow. Yellow adds warmth and brightness to lemon green, creating a cheerful balance. And also, you can pair lemon green walls with yellow curtains or rug, and also add yellow accent colors in kitchen for a living or lively vibe. Yes, it works well. And then the third color is purple. Purple's richness contrasts beautifully with lemon green vibrancy, and you can incorporate purple like adding a blanket or artwork into a lemon green room. You can also use lemon green cushions on a deep purple sofa. Wow, this color looks so amazing while combining both of them together. And then the next color is brown. Yes, brown adds warmth and a natural touch to lemon green refreshness. You can add wooden furnitures to lemon green space. It works perfectly great. And also, you can use brown rug or wall art to the ground of the lemon green colors to have this natural, sophisticated color combination. And then the fifth color is navy blue. Navy blue balances lemon green energy with its calming depth. You can pair navy blue curtains with lemon green walls. Also use navy ancient chairs or cushion for a sophisticated look. And our next color is orange. Wow. So orange adds vibrance and energy, complementing lemon green refreshness. And you can use orange throw pillows or rug with lemon green furnitures. And also add orange and lemon green ancient furnitures to the dining areas for a lively feeling. And our seventh color is beige. Beige naturality softens lemon green for a cozy, balanced look. You can add beige furnitures or curtain to lemon green walls and pair lemon green colors with beige sofa for a stable pop-up colors. And then we have white. White makes lemon green look crispy and clean. You can pair white walls with lemon green and add white trim or furnitures. You can also use lemon green cushion or decor with a white bedding for a fresh look. And then the ninth color is mossa green. Mosa green adds depth and richness to lemon green vibrancy. You can pair mosa green rug with lemon green walls. Also add mosa green curtain or furniture for a laid green aesthetic look. And then we have the 10 color, which is gray. Gray grounds lemon green for a modern scenario feeling. You can use gray furnitures with lemon green cushion or drawers. That's the pillow. And you can also add gray rugs or curtain to lemon green space for balancing. And then we have red. Red provides a bold contrast to lemon green, adding energy and warmth. You can add red artwork or cushion to lemon green space. Also use red walls for seasonal decor, especially during Christmas or during Christmas rather. So lemon green is an incredibility color and versatile color that pairs beautifully with so many shades from bold contrast to stable harmony. These 11 colors will help you create a fresh and stylish home decor look. Don't be afraid to mix and match them. If this idea inspire you, hit the like button and also try combining most of this color to see how you can transform your space. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we're going to be exploring how to create the perfect orange shade with acrylic color. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye for now.